Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
That prisoner, convict prisoner, actually he died of heart attack. That is the report. Now with inquiry we have found that he was not feeling well on the previous day of his death, and not so this you can't also imagine that he was a sick person. He was very sober. I think he also played volleyball prior to his death. The day before he played volleyball. But this incident is of heart attack. We can't help out. The whatever now see there are other cases going on. Many papers I have read that investigation has failed. Never. Within a time of 10 seconds, he was taken to the district hospital. The time by which he was taken out from the jail and he was taken to the district hospital is just about 15 minutes. Total time. Actually, we have given instructions to the ILBN staff whenever there are these ambulances not to have ask for pass also. In this case also, ILBN did not ask for pass, it took even pass. When the prisoner came outside along with other prisoners with him, the same moment, just within 2 minutes, he was taken from the ambulance and there was nothing regarding pass, ask anything. I have heard that they say 1.5 hours was taken, something half an hour was taken, all these stories. I don't know why they want to make all these stories without going into depth.
शैलेश मापारीक खुनाचे केशीत जल्मठेप पडिल्ली. 16 वर्सां जाली जेलीत आशिल्लो. जेलीत ताची वागणूक बरी आशिल्ली. ख्यास्तीत सूट मेळून तो बेगीन सुटपाक शकतालो.
He was imprisoned in the year 2006 and his case was also referred to the board in the last board meeting for release. I know him personally. Many times I go to the jail and he was a very quiet person, well reformed. I also asked him many times whether we want to go on furlough or parole. He never asked for such leave. Already 16 years passed, he was in jail, very sober. And we were about to hold his for his release or meeting with the board for his premature release.
प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर मुकेश कुमार.